Alright guys, so my setup might be a little weird, but today I'm going to show you how to do your own dip powder nails. The things I'll be using today is this Cuccio Pro powders. I got the neon powders, so it comes with all of these, and I purchased these for $29 on Amazon. So this is what they look like. Super beautiful colors. Love this. And then I'm also going to be using the Cuccio Pro dip powder system. As y'all can see, starter kit. It comes with everything. It comes with a couple of more colors of powder, and then it comes with the bond, the base, everything I need, activator. And I love this because it actually included a cuticle oil. The last kit I used did not include it, so I really love that about this. So today I'm gonna try something new. Last time I used this, I went step by step, but I really didn't like how it turned out, so I'm not gonna follow the steps today. I'm gonna use this as a top gel only, and I'm gonna use this to layer the colors on. I don't know what you guys would like to do if you purchase this, but this is the way I'm gonna do it. So let's get started. The first and very important step is applying the nail primer to the nails. You really want to make sure you do this because you want your nails to last longer. I'm gonna be doing 3 layers of the dip. So literally all we're doing here is applying the layering gel and dipping our fingers in, and then allowing some time to pass, and then brushing it off with a brush. We're gonna do this 3 times to the nails. Dip, I did not get close to the cuticle, but as you can see here, in the second dip I did go way closer to the cuticle area. After we have dipped our nails 3 times, we're going to go in with the gel activator, which is what's going to really harden the nail and make sure all the powder stays in place. After 3 or 4 minutes have passed, you're going to go in and file the nails. Just make sure you have a smooth surface. After you're done filing, you're going to apply the activator one more time just to set everything into place. After you apply the activator the second time, you're going to allow 3 minutes to pass and then go in with the top gel. And I did do 2 coats of top gel just because I wanted my nails to look really shiny and glossy. The last step is adding some cuticle oil just to give the cuticles some moisture and make your hands look really nice. Enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see some more nail videos, then just comment. I do have a lot more powders to test, but that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all.